వీడియో రెండు 30 seconds అని తీశారు రెండు అంటే.
Dear students, faculty, esteemed guests of United Institute of Hotel Business Management, Managing Director Abdul Razak Garu, Correspondent Srimati Karima Garu, Principal Jagdish Garu, and the faculty members, a very good morning to one and all. It is indeed a great privilege for me to come and speak to you